this is Siddharth from Team Digit, and in this video I'll be unboxing one of these awesome portable Bluetooth speakers that we've had with us. Recently, SoundLogic launched in India in collaboration with MTV. MTV Fashiontronix is the brand name under which they've launched this series of portable Bluetooth speakers. This one is the Soundbox, that's the twister. For this video I'll be unboxing the Soundbox. It's a fairly light speaker, so I'm very curious to know what it sounds like. I'll unbox it quickly for you and pair it with a smartphone to show you the sound quality. So this is the Soundbox by SoundLogic. So before we unbox, let's just look at the packaging. You have a couple of compatibility and features listed here. Now the box is fairly light and it comes with a rechargeable battery. So I'm pretty interested to know what kind of battery life this product will have. Here you have a price label. So this product is priced at 3999 INR. So I'll need a knife. So this is the speaker. Here you have the quick start guide, standard 3.5 to 3.5 stereo cable for auxiliary in and micro USB. Cables are very flimsy. Right, so this is the speaker itself. The front has a grill, and on top of that there's this kind of a plastic design of some sort, and it looks pretty funky. You have the MTV logo right there in the center. On the top you have a power switch and what look like volume up down buttons. On this side you have the on off switch, auxiliary input and direct DC charging. So I'm switching it on right now. Okay, it's flashing and I'm assuming it's in a discoverable mode. So let me just pull out my phone and quickly demo the sound quality. So pairing it now. So these buttons here are for switching to the next song. So they're the track selection. I can't find any volume button, so I'm assuming it just plays at full volume and you control the volume through your device. Let me just go back to the original song. Right, so that was at full volume. And for the sake of comparison, I think I'll take the JBL Flip 2 and let's see how it compares. So the Flip 2 is obviously louder, but the only reason I'm comparing it to this is so that you get an idea of what the sound quality is like, and also the fact that a lot of people would have heard the JBL Flip 2 sometime or the other. So this was the SoundLogic Soundbox, and we'll be back with our full review soon, so stay tuned.